Hi, my name is Micah Fry here at Steet Ponte Mazda. Today we're going to show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth.
So I'm going to show you guys how to connect your phone via Bluetooth to your car. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to your settings. We're going to scroll down to connectivity settings. We're going to click on Bluetooth phone connectivity settings. We're going to click on pair new device. We're going to click on pair from device, and it's going to search. And on here, we're going to click on Mazda. It's going to give us the device name, which is Mazda on here. It's going to give us a passcode. Make sure the passcode matches on here, and on here it does. Click pair. We're going to click allow, which is going to sync our contacts and our text messages right to the car. It's going to connect. This vehicle has Apple CarPlay wireless, so this will connect Apple CarPlay wireless right to it. Certain models do and do not. We're going to use CarPlay. Always enable. And that's how you connect your phone via Bluetooth. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to stop on by and see why it's so easy to do business here at Steet Ponte Mazda.